Hello, staff. This is Leslie Batten. This video is to show you how to find the Microsoft Teams app. And there are actually two ways to find it. This first video is how to find it using any web browser. I will have a separate video showing you how to find it on a school laptop if you prefer to use the app. But there are just a few visual differences in them. Honestly, it doesn't matter which one you use. But this is how you find it through a website. You can see that I have the school systems website pulled up. I use Google Chrome. You can do this from any web browser, whatever you use to get to websites, have that open. You are also going to need your phone next to you, and I will show you why in a minute. So I am on the school system website. I'm going to staff student links. I'm then going to Office 365. So you get to this the same way you get to your work email. I signed out so that this would pop up to show you how to sign in. You see I have my work email address there. You need to type in your work email address. I then click Next. You want to choose a work or school account. My password is already saved. If you are doing this from a browser that you've never signed into this account before, to your school email account, type in your password, your school email password, same one you use to sign into a computer at school. I'm clicking sign in. Now, this is why you need to have your phone next to you. Much earlier in the school year, everyone was told we had to have two-factor authentication. That just meant that you had to put your cell phone number in as one option. I cannot remember the other option, but you had to put your cell phone number in so that when you, for the first time, accessed your school account on a browser, it would text a code to your phone. I have now received that code on my phone. The code is going to be different every time, so um, it's not like you save that one code and always use it. So I'm now going to type in this unique code for this session I have on my phone. All right, now I click verify. Now I am on my teacher laptop and I use this computer all the time. So I want to stay signed in. So I'm going to say, don't ask me again. And I click yes. If you are sharing a device, say with your family or with someone else, and more than one of you are signing in, then click no. And you'll have to do that two-factor authentication and sign in every single time. But if it's your own device, click yes, and then everything we just did, you don't have to do it again. So I'm clicking yes. What pops up are all of the apps that I have so far available to me on my Microsoft Office 365 software, or account. Um, Many of you will have gone to your school email this way. That's Outlook. But right now, what you want to go to is Teams. So I click Teams. And we're waiting. And, there we go. Okay. So the first time you log in, it should look like this, where you have all the teams that you have either been added to or that you have created. There should be your list, and you can see my list. If you don't see this page, over here on the left are some options for these accounts, and you would just click Teams, and then this will pop up. Now you'll click DLES Faculty. Everyone should have that on their account. I'm hoping it opens soon. Okay, and now we're in. I'll have a separate video on what you can do once you get into this account, but that's how you get into Microsoft Teams.